Draw and learn. Oh, look at this beautiful cake. It's like a unicorn. Hello, kids. Today we want to draw a unicorn cake with each other. Let's go. Do you like to have cake? It's so delicious. Draw with me, kids. I'm sure you can do it very well. I'm drawing 2 ears for our unicorn. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. Let's draw eyes. Oh, hello, unicorn. Let's draw in some flowers. Now I want to draw some hearts here. Two big hearts. So awesome! Keep going, kids. Okay, let's coloring our cake with each other. Let's using pink color. Do you like it? Pink color is so beautiful. Yellow color, so shiny. Let's using blue color for her. And now I'm using purple color. Red color. Okay, let's coloring the cake so colorful, kids. Don't forget to subscribe us, kids. Beautiful heart. I like it. Oh, finish. That's so amazing, kids. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.